Nation of Islam. A religious group popularly known as the Black Muslims, founded in 1830 to promote black separatism and the Islamic religion. Ghetto conditions. Poor housing, underfunded schools, high unemployment, inadequate public transport, poor healthcare. Violent action. When a group uses violence to try and achieve their aims, Malcolm X supported this type of action whilst running his mosque in Harlem during the early 1960s. Black Power movement aims racial dignity and self-reliance through achieving equal opportunity. Organization of African American Unity. The O was set up by Malcolm X in 1964 to promote ties between Black Americans and Africans. Black Panther Party for Self-Defense. Set up in 1966 in California, founded by Bobby Seale and Huey Newton, focused on civil rights, self-defense, and protection from police brutality. They rejected MLK's nonviolent approach, had lots of programs to help the worst-off Black Americans. 10-point program. The Black Panthers had a series of demands including freedom, full employment, decent housing, fair employment, education, and ideas about police brutality/legal reforms. Community programs. The Black Panthers created a free breakfast for children program, free health clinics, clothing distribution, lessons on self-defense and first aid rehabilitation. Change of ideology. The Black Power movement moved their beliefs from black nationalism to focus on communist ideals, became viewed as very left-wing. Watts Riots. 1964 riots, which started in an African-American ghetto of Los Angeles and left 30 dead and 1,000 wounded. Riots lasted a week and spurred hundreds more around the country. Malcolm X's assassination. He was assassinated by 3 members of the Nation of Islam in 1965.